Yes, sir.
Okay.
You'd see it in any place that you went, because that's the only government on the planet. There is no other government. Now, I'm making that statement. That doesn't say because Neely Fuller made that statement that that's true. So I always ask people or request of people, whatever I say, particularly when I make a statement like that racism, the system of white supremacy, is the only government on the planet. All other governments are just words. They're not actual governments. People call them that. People call them countries. People call them systems. They call them by all kinds of names. But the only real government on this planet, as of 2014, here in January, is the system of white supremacy,
all right,
which is a government that's based on those white people, not all white people, but those white people who have chosen to dominate and mistreat people based on color. They are the government of the entire planet. So anywhere you go on the planet, you will find that government in operation in all 9 areas of activity: economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. It's the most powerful government that the world has ever seen, and the most efficient.